Can you guys stop looking at me? I cannot film like that. Nandika adu tirigi matlada but lighting baaledu ikkade baagundi lighting. Background voice vinistunadi. Endi record avutundi maatladu.
Hey, no. Aag nenu em prepare avvaledu.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is March 17th and it's exactly 5 a.m. It's exactly 5 a.m. and I got up, I showered and I'm very fresh. Today is the first day that I will be vlogging the whole day and it's special to me because today is the first day I'm going back to my office in over 2 years, 2.5 years almost. And yeah, I'm really excited. The past 2 years have taken a lot of turns and I've been promoted as well, so this is like extra special for me to go back. So I have all my makeup laid out and I'm going to start with my makeup and I will see you guys once the makeup is done. I have to leave by 5:30, so I have only 30 minutes to get ready. So I think it's a good start for me, but let's start. Alrighty, hello and hi from my car. I'm so excited for this today because it's been like 2 years since I've met my team, my office team, and for people who don't know, I work in Amazon, so it's been a while. So it's really been a while and I've tried to order that contraption thing wherein I can vlog through the car when I'm driving, but I really don't know. I'm not able to figure it out, so I'm going to do that later on. But I'm excited and I'm driving, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Stop number 1. No, pickup number 1. I have 3 more pickups to go.
Okay. Hello.
Pickup number 2 is done. We're going to pick up number 3. Enti?
2, 3 kada?
అవును 1 2.
ఓహో ఓకే ఓకే.
నన్ను నేను ఎందుకు పికప్ చేసుకుంటా?
ఓకే, పికప్ అయిపోయింది. వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు పికప్ గౌరీ ప్రియా.
యా.
Ravi, say hi.
Hi guys.
Say hi.
Hi. That's my vlog. So
Hi,
I
guys.
open up.
Hi, Priya.
Hi.
That is Shalimar Tiffins and Snacks, and where you get famous green what does it? Where we get where we get famous Sunny Leone burger.
Oh my god. No comments.
Content ichesna.
This is not content.
Okay.
When there is a lot of things you have to do for content. This is point
lighting
one.
ledu. Maybe no car lo oka light pettali.
I cannot.
Ippudu.
Hello.
Sir, please.
నాకు మన ఏదో పార్సల్ వచ్చిందబ్బా మన ఆఫీస్ దగ్గర నుంచి. వాడు అమెజాన్ అడ్రస్ అడిగాడు. నేను చెప్పా అమెజాన్ క్యాంపస్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అని చెప్పిన తర్వాత, మేడం ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ ఏమైనా చెప్పండి మేడం అని అన్నాడు. నేను నా ఆఫీసే ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ రా, నువ్వేం నన్ను అడుగుతున్నావు పాపం అని.
సో ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ అన్నప్పుడు నువ్వు ప్రాబబ్లీ వేవ్ రాకో లేకుంటే పార్క్ అవుతా అని చెప్పాలి.
పాప అమెజాన్ క్యాంపస్ ఇస్ అమెజాన్ క్యాంపస్ ఇస్ ద ల్యాండ్ మార్క్. మరి ఇంకేం అడుగుతా నేను? దట్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్. నేను ఇంకా చెప్పాను అమెజాన్ క్యాంపస్
సికింద్రాబాద్ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ అంటే ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ చెప్పాను.
అదే సేమ్ అదే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మై పాయింట్.
ఇంకొకసారి
అరే యార్ ఫ్లోలో రా.
We're all excited to go to the office. అసలు ముఖం చూడు రమేష్ ఎలా ఉందో.
Finally here.
Okay, where do I go? Entrance to
Go straight.
Gate number 5 or 6.
Oh
5,
my
5.
god, it is so big.
Gate number 5.
Oh my god, there are 10 gates. No, but there are 10 gates.
Yes.
Right.
Oh my god.
అటు సైడ్ ఉంచు.
Oh my god. I think it's very loud, but we're here. We're at the Amazon's biggest campus. So let's go log in. Oh my god. We're here. So what's the time enta?
7:40.
7:40. Ochino.
15 minutes.
20 minutes.
Ground floor.
Exactly.
Doors opening.
Good morning. Just had some lovely breakfast and I'm in awe of how big this office is. It's extremely big and huge. But I had some garma garam bonda and yeah, I don't think I can vlog where we're working, so I will be talking to you guys in the bit, like you know, in bits and pieces. But I'm really excited to take you guys along with me to my beautiful big office. I'm excited. I'm really like, look how big it is. I really like it. So yeah, I will be talking to you guys in bits and pieces because I cannot film outside. So yeah, I cannot be filming wherever I work because of the it's just a office thing. So I'll be talking to you guys in bits and pieces and I'll try to take you guys as much as I can. But I really like.
डिस्कशन निकल जाता क्या हो जाता फिर 20 मंगाएंगे
15 मंगा भाई को बोले तो
for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Hi guys, I just got done with my office. It's about 5:11. Got done with my office. It's about 5:11 and I'm so tired, but I'm really happy. I still don't know where we're going after this. Probably back home. I'm still not sure about that, but I really like the entire architecture and the infrastructure of this particular building because I think this is the first time I've ever been to this building and it's amazing, you guys. It's so beautiful from inside as well. There are so many places where you can sit and work at the same time, be included in the team and all of that. It is amazing. I love it. However, I can't show you guys a couple of places wherein we work because of the restrictions and all of that, but that every company has it. And I've always loved Amazon for this because even the previous buildings that we worked in, especially what I worked in the 2 buildings before this, and I really love them as well. Because it gives you an inclusion as well as your own space as well if you want to like work for like 2-3 hours apart from the team as well. So that is what I love about Amazon and I love working over here. And yeah, no matter who says what, I love my job and I love what I do professionally. I love YouTube as well, but this is something that makes me feel like, you know, I'm not an outsider because you have a place for everybody here. And this entire team that I met today, I've literally met them today itself. Before this, it was only on video calls and it was so easy to like mingle along and talk to me. And I think I do have like a couple of friends that I'm going to carry back home and close to my heart. But yeah, they just went to do a little bit of work, so I'm free now, so that is why I'm talking a little bit. But I will be updating you guys a little more about what's happening and all of that. So yeah. Also, I really love my makeup today. I use the Huda Beauty's Purple Haze palette, and the lipstick on my lips is from Miss Claire 07 or 09 or something like that. And yeah, also my beautiful pimple had to show up now. If it's a special occasion, pimples should show up, right? So yeah, that's all. I did so much today, like even my work was really happy. Usually in the house I'm sulking a little, but my work was happy. At the same time I was happy, and I'm in love with the entire outfit that I have as well. This is the chicken curry dress that I bought from exhibition. I know you guys have seen that vlog because this vlog will come after the vlog, after the exhibition vlog. So yeah, what else? Yeah, I'm waiting for everybody to come so that I understand where we're going, what we're doing and all of that. So yeah, and I got so many compliments on my dress, and I feel so happy when people do that, because I think when I was a kid, when I was like a child, like not even child, until recently, I have never complimented anybody on how they look or how they dress up and all of that. And if anybody used to tell me that, you know, your whatever is good and all of that, I used to just take the compliment and not give it back. And eventually, you know, when you grow up, you realize that, you know, you're not supposed to do that. You have to compliment the other person. So whenever they compliment me, I kind of find a few things that I like about them as well. And it's been like a cute understanding situation, and yeah, I like it, and I really love the amount of compliments I received. So yeah, what else do I have to talk to you guys about? That's all. I cannot show you guys everything, so I've tried to vlog as much as possible today. So I maybe the next part is maybe in another 10-15 minutes we'll be leaving. So maybe अगर बीच में कुछ है तो है, नहीं है तो नहीं है. Okay, so yeah. Hi guys, I was just sitting to edit. Hi guys, I was just editing my entire vlog, like the first day back to my office, and I realized that I never had any ending. But yeah, I quickly wanted to jump in so that I did not want to like just end it abruptly. It was so fun. The Amazon campus is amazing. It was so beautiful, and I am extremely happy with my friends, with my office and all of that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.